Today we're going to install R and RStudio on an Apple Silicon based Mac. And we should get this done in just 3 minutes. To install R, go over to rproject.org. Click on CRAN. Click on Download R for Mac OS. Now, this is Apple Silicon, so we're going to use the ARM64 package. So let's click on that and start the download. To make this video faster, I'm going to fast forward through this download. 5 seconds left. Okay, that's downloaded. While we're getting all the downloads out of the way, let's go over to RStudio. Download RStudio for Mac OS 11 Plus. RStudio is a standard Mac installer. One of those classic old DMG files. And now that's downloaded. Okay, so first we want to install R, and that is the package file here. Click Continue, Continue, accept the software license, I guess. Click Install. It'll ask you for your password. You're going to have to allow it to access folders in your download files in your download folder. And then voila, the installation is successful. All right. And very nicely, it cleans up after itself. It says, would you like to move it to the trash? Yes, I would like to move it to the trash. Thank you. Now there's just one thing left, and that's RStudio. So for that, we will open up this package file. Now this is a classic installation. You just drag this into your applications, and it extracts and installs itself there. And now it should be good to go. Now we can give it a test. Let's go into our applications. Let's find RStudio. All right, looks pretty promising. There it is. Now let's do some cutting edge data science. 1 + 1 = 2. Looks like it works. There you have it. That's how to install R and RStudio on an Apple Silicon Mac. R is definitely native for Apple Silicon because it's using a ARM64 installer. So when you do your complicated machine learning algorithms, they should run on Apple Silicon. And what do you know? Just like we said, it only took 3 minutes. Hey, since you watched to the end, why not smash that subscribe button? Thank you very much.